How to delete or cancel all private servers on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel your private server subscription on Roblox so you won't be charged anymore. So this process will also delete your private server link. So to start canceling or deleting your private server, you have to open your browser and then go to roblox.com. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now after logging in, locate the inventory option in the left-hand side of the screen, that is between the avatar and trade option. Simply tap on it. Now scroll down and search for private server. Now go to my private server option. As I do not have any private server, I'm not able to display it on the screen. But if you have, simply select your private server and scroll down to the right of the private server name. Click on the three dots and select configure. To delete your server, simply turn off the subscription status, and if you want to prevent anyone from joining your private server in the meantime, you can disable the allow joining option, and this will stop everyone, including yourself, from accessing the private server. And that's how you can delete a private server in Roblox. So if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.